Welcome back to Ram Travel Shots. Today, we are exploring one of Washington State's most spectacular scenic drives, the North Cascades National Park, known as the American Alps. This park is home to over 300 glaciers, rugged mountain peaks, emerald forests, and stunning alpine lakes. If you're driving along the North Cascades Highway, here are some of the most breathtaking viewpoints you should miss. Ladder Creek Falls is one of the hidden gems along Washington's North Cascades Highway. Located just behind the historic Gorge powerhouse near the town of New Hallam. A short, scenic walk across a charming suspension bridge leads you through a peaceful forest to this beautiful cascading waterfall. The trail is easy and family friendly, making it a perfect stop for visitors of all ages. During the summer evenings, the falls are illuminated with colorful lights, creating a magical atmosphere that's unlike anywhere else in the park. Welcome to the Diablo Lake Vista Point, one of the most iconic viewpoints in Washington state. From this scenic overlook, you will be treated to a breathtaking views of the lake, stunning turquoise waters, surrounded by dense evergreen forests and towering snow-capped peaks. The lake's unique color comes from the glacier floor, fine rock particles carried by melting glaciers that reflect the sunlight and give the water its brilliant blue-green glow. Easily accessible from the North Cascades Highway, Washington Pass Overlook, one of the most spectacular viewpoints along the North Cascades Highway. A short, paved trail leads to a dramatic observation deck, overlooking rugged granite peaks, deep valleys, and the winding highway below. From here, you enjoy incredible views of Bell Mountain and the majestic early winter skies, two of the region's most famous rock formations. Whether you're stopping for photos or simply soaking in the breathtaking mountain scenery, Washington Pass Overlook is an unforgettable destination and a highlight of any North Cascades road trip. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful drive from Seattle to North Cascades. Please do like, subscribe, and share to my channel, Ram Travel Shots. See you next time. Until then,